In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer USDT without paying transaction fee. USDT transaction fee is ranging from $1 to $2. Some exchange will charge you $1, Binance will charge you $1.30. But I will show you how to transfer your USDT to any exchange of your choice without you paying any fees. Now, I'm currently on my Bybit. Now, if you're watching my video for the first time, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is John. I provide content about the financial market. If you like this kind of content, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel and turn on the bell notification. So let me click on assets. So I will go ahead and do that. So click on withdraw. For you to do this, you have to use Bybit. I click on USDT. Once I click on USDT, I would select the network. You go to the network option, click on the network option. Now this is where you will see all the network options you can use to withdraw your USDT. You can see the Ethereum network charges about $8. Tron network, which is the widely used, charges about $1.30. You can see Arbitron $1, Solana $1, Binance, which is BEP20, $1, ZK Sync 30 cents. Now, if you look at Ton, Ton is the last one there. Ton, the fee is 0.00. They did this by purpose, putting Ton at last so that most people will not know that you can actually transact USDT without paying any transaction fee. Just select on Ton. If you select Ton, you put in your address. Let's say you want to send it to Binance or Bybit or BitGet. You have to copy your address, which is your USDT BitGet address that is also on Ton network. You paste it right there. And again, you have to put in the memo or tag. Now, in some exchange or in some platform, you can see it as tag, memo, comment, note, and remark. All of them are the same. Now, you have to put in those numbers. I think they're about 8 numbers. You have to put in the numbers before you do your transaction. Now, you need to be very mindful so that you don't just only put the address and you didn't put the tag and you click on withdraw, unless if the exchange you are sending it to didn't show you a tag or remark or memo. Now, some exchange will not require you to do that, or some platform, but most platform will. Binance will require that, BitGet will require that, Bybit will require that. So you have to be using your memo or your tag depending on what that particular exchange is calling it. Now you can see this is so simple. I've showed you. For you to withdraw USDT using Ton network, you pay 0 fee. Just do that and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video.